Hello and welcome to ChristCenteredGamer's unboxing of the CabinZero backpack. They totally surprised me in the color. Looks like I got infinity blue, which is cool. I'm glad I didn't get the pride one because that'd be a little awkward. Alright, now. So, as we all know, airlines are really picky about the size of carry-ons that you can bring on. So this backpack will comply. Ooh, this is nice. It's got like a nice lining and this is cushy. So if it's a heavy backpack, this is not going to be too bad on your back. The only thing, yeah, I guess it doesn't. Sometimes the backpacks will have like a little clip, but this one doesn't. So it's not going to really balance the load. It's a pretty color. So the suitcase on your back, it's airline approved, ultra lightweight. It is actually lightweight. Fitted with tracker tag? I don't know. Huh. I have to look into that tracker tag thing. I'm definitely have to research that and note that in the review. Alright, so fully or partially aligned, 10-year guarantee. So 10-year warranty is pretty good. Because I don't know about you guys, but I definitely beat up my bags pretty good. So let's see what we got here. We got an outside bag. Yeah, it's pretty roomy. I would probably put in there like maybe a headset, game controller, AC adapter. Alright, so let me... Alright, so we got this. I'm gonna have to unsnap these little buggers to fully open up. Let's see what's inside. So we got 4, 2 on each side. It's got a nice lining in there. I don't know. Maybe 1/4 inch thick, I'm guessing. Got a little pouch. It's got elastic, so it's a little stretchy. So it's good. We got more pouches here. You can put like some smaller items, maybe like if you have earbuds or something. We got a bigger pouch. Oh no, actually no. This is kind of half. It's about the same size as this one on top. I like the colorful zippers. And this is just completely knitted. There's no lining or anything on that, so. Alright, so, let's see. The question, I wonder if my 15-inch work laptop could fit in here. Lovely. I got my dogs barking. Okay, so, yeah, 15-inch work laptop can fit in there. Maybe I could just put it inside here to make it snug. Beautiful. But, and it's actually, I don't know, I can feel the corners right here. They're not really in the protection zone, so, I don't know. It's going to be that you can't throw this thing around too much. So, I'd say 15 inches is your limit on laptop size. Maybe a 14-inch would have a little bit better clearance on there. But I know I'm traveling next month, and they said bring my work laptop, which is that really a vacation at this point? I'm not sure. But yeah, it fits in real nice. I like that. Nice and snug. But I'm just concerned about these corners, because you can see the corners are right up on the top. And then, you know, if you're not careful, you can bang that around and get some nice chips on a work laptop. So, but yeah, so these are about $75. And I saw on their website that they got the King's Award for Enterprise 2025. So that's nice. So yeah, looks like they have some sales on their website. 30% off selected items. So, if you need a carry-on bag that you don't want to worry about, that's going to definitely comply with airline requirements, check out the CabinZero. It seems to be well made. 10-year guarantee is pretty good, so stay tuned for our review. And yeah, looks like you can register this thing. Oh yeah, okay, so this must be the tag right here. So we'll have to look into that, and that's pretty cool if it comes with a tracker, because there's so many horror stories of people getting their luggage lost. So, but hopefully it's a carry-on that's with you all the time, so that shouldn't be lost. So anyways, well, stay tuned for our review. Thank you for watching. God bless.